Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the new Master brand, their power rotary tool with 2 amp hour battery, 103 pieces accessory kit, 30,000 RPM it goes, has 5 speeds. This is the box it came in. Everything's all organized in here as you can see. So we're going to take everything out of here so we can get a closer look at it. There's everything out of the storage box. We have the 103 piece accessory kit, and you've got sanding discs in here. You've got wheels, rubberized wheels that allow you to put these circular sanding discs on. These are excellent for grinding nails on your pet. And we got polishing wheels right here for polishing jewelry. And we have all these great cutoff wheels and different sizes of cutoff wheels. And we have a drill bit. And this is a metal polishing wheel. There's that drill bit I mentioned right there. And all these other polishing, grinding wheels, which are excellent. Different sizes and shapes. This piece right here is what holds these fiber polishing wheels. They just essentially screw on just like that. And these are excellent for polishing jewelry. We're going to show that. And it comes with a tool to lock the actual wrench on there. And then this piece right here is the tool that's going to hold all these cutoff wheels. And that's why it has a screwdriver on the end of the included tool, so you can tighten them down. Now, if you've ever had a rotary tool like this, you know how valuable they are for doing a lot of different things. So it comes with a USB-A to USB-C charging cable and a nice little holder so you can hold this all together nicely, and the unit itself. Now we're going to concentrate on the features of the unit. So it actually comes with 2 of these so that you can set up a small and a large. That's how it goes. You just screw it in like that, and then that's how this is set up so that you can grind your nails on your animals. And the unit comes with a nicely written instruction manual telling you how to use the tool. So let's take a look at the tool right here. This tool gets a 2-year warranty from New Master, and they'll send you a new replacement if you have any issues, which is really excellent. And it gets really great customer ratings on Amazon. So this is an 8-volt cordless rotary tool, can generate strong and steady power, providing fast cutting and grinding and polishing. And that's got 5 variable speeds we're going to show, and goes from 5,000 to 30,000 RPM so that you can adjust for the different materials that you're doing. There's internally a 2 amp hour battery, 8-volt lithium-ion battery, and it's going to last a long time on a single charge. 4 LEDs shows the remaining battery power, and convenient Type-C charging. There's a safety lock on here, right here, and that safety lock, if you bump it when it's running, it won't engage, so that's nice. This is how you lock the spindle so that you can tighten and put the different tools on there. So there's just so many things you could do with a tool like this. It's something you really want to have. It's only 8.6 inches long and about 376 grams. It's got a nice feel to it. So let's just take a look at it further. We got cooling vents on there. And if you look at the back, they have this candle right here. And if you look at the back, it has a nice loop so that you could hang it. A lot of times you want to hang something like this so that it gets easy access. And there's the USB charging port. So let's just give this a try right now. There is the locking wheel that's going to allow you to lock. So let's put something on here like a drill bit. And first we're going to do is we're going to loosen this up, put the lock on, and open this up so that it could fit the drill bit. It will fit drill bits 1/8 of an inch perfectly. That's what this is. Now you've got the power switch right there, and the drill starts going. So if you accidentally hit this, it doesn't let you. So you don't have to worry about that safety lock. Now notice it's got status and it shows you the percentage right there. That's nice. And also, I'm sorry, that's the RPM. And there's the RPM speed adjustment. Look how low that goes. That's excellent if you're drilling something slow. And then here is the power level. See how it says power? That's actually showing you the power level that's left on the tool. And that's nice, so you know when you have to charge it. It's got a rubberized feeling on here, and it's got a really good feel to it. And then on the tip right here, you can hold it like this because of that rubberized tip on there also. Very nice feel to it. And then your power switch is off just like that. Here I put the included USB-C cable. I have it on a 1 amp or greater USB-A, and it's plugged right in there. And you see it's got the status, so it's breathing. And it's going to stop breathing when all of it's fully charged, and you know that it's ready to use 100% power. So let's give the drill bit a try right here. And this is very hard wood. This is not pine, this is the hard wood that's used to hold tools. So you see it just went right through there so easily. Now to change the bit, you push the lock button on there. By the way, it's going to remember the last setting, the last speed setting. So if you had it set right here on the lowest setting and you shut it off, it's going to go right back to that setting for 5 minutes. So let's say you want to change the bit. You put the lock on, and then this locks after you rotate it, and then you got the tool like that. You can easily remove the bit that's on there. Now let's try and put this cutoff wheel on there, which is really nice. Let's hold the lock down again, rotate this clockwise, and then use the included tool to lock it in place. You should be wearing safety glasses when you do this. So let's try this. Let's increase the speed on here. And you can see it goes right in the wood. Of course, it generates heat, so there's a little smoke, but it's cutting right through this hardwood quite easily. This bit is really amazing to cut through metal, PVC pipe, or wood. It's going to do it all. Now let's say you wanted to do some sanding. Let's change the bit again. And we're going to put the included little small sanding drum on there. We're going to lock that in place like that. Look at that, just easily goes right through the wood. So you do a pattern on there or a beveled edge. If that wheel starts moving, like it did slightly, that's because I didn't fully tighten the end right here. Because when you tighten the screw, it expands outward that rubber, and that's what you want. Very simple to use. Here's just a quick demo. I've got the polisher on there, and I have some jewelry from my wife, and it allows you to polish it up. Very simple, but really effective to get a nice shine on the metal. So after testing, what do I think about the new Master? Their power rotary tool with a 2 amp battery, 103-piece accessory kit, 30,000 RPM, 5 speeds. This is an excellent product. It gives you status of your power, and it gives you multiple speeds as I demonstrated. This is really one of the more versatile tools that you're going to have in your shop. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.